Before we see the video, here is another plumbing concern often overlooked, which needs to be in your plumbing estimate. Watch out for galvanized water pipes. Plumbers and builders used galvanized pipe in homes built before the 1960s. It was typical to have a lot of galvanized piping underneath the bathroom floors. Another example of galvanized connection. Another example of corroding pipe. As galvanized pipes age, the zinc coating erodes and pipes corrode. Lead, a dangerous toxin, may build when the pipes corrode. Galvanized plumbing could pose a dangerous health hazard if not replaced with updated, safer pipes like copper or plastic. Home inspectors will make an issue to the potential buyers, most times scaring them off, so I would replace any galvanized water pipes in the house.
This video is to show you just one of some hidden surprises that can pop up on your rehabs. When inspecting a house, especially in the basement, where homeowners tend to do their own work, try to check behind any walls and under any crawl spaces for amateur plumbing and electrical work. Here's an example of amateur plumbing work that will need to be replaced with proper plumbing to pass plumbing inspections and the home inspector when you go to sell the property. This can be another surprise and costly item to replace if not caught before getting your estimate for plumbing. So let's take a look at the video.
We have this bathroom with this plumbing going, and actually it's not pitched properly. The pitch is going up here, right? It's going up and then it's going down, all the way down there. Now let's see where that's going. That's low, and that's coming all the way up here. So now if you look behind, the pitch is low down there and it's up high here, and yet where it drains out is even higher. So see everything right here? It's going, now it has to come uphill and go out. I'm not sure how that works. I would believe there'd be a lot of water stuck in here. So this is a plumbing issue now. Now we have some plumbing that we need to do. And let me just back you up a little bit. They call this a 1.5 or a 2-bath house. This is a makeshift shower here with the shower head coming out of the ceiling. That's not going to pass code. So right away we have a problem with this. This is probably going to have to come out. Again, water damage in here. Yeah, plumbing issues. If you like this video, like, share, or subscribe at Peak Private Lending.